Okay, so for horizontal, we utilize Excel enter and the capital word of horizontal. So that is H. So Excel enter, H enter to create a horizontal infinite line. Just like we start with horizontal line, so go to Excel enter, and then you can see horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect and offset. So we click horizontal or directly we can type H enter. You can see blue color का दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पर blue है. So this is a shortcut of next command. तो हमने दिया H enter. So we create an infinite line. Right? And it is not decided कितना ending है इसके अंदर कितना है. So that particularly we create horizontal line by using Excel enter, H enter. Now we can click anywhere on my screen to create a horizontal line. So that particularly this is the horizontal condition. For vertical, we utilize Excel enter and then V enter to create a infinite vertical line. For angular, utilize Excel enter, A enter, and then define angle. In which angle we want to create that line. So that particularly we decide just like 20 degree, 20 enter. That means angle equals to 20 degree from the horizontal reference. यानी कि from 0 degree कितना लेगा 20 degree लेगा. So it's like we type 20 enter. Just like we press Excel enter, V enter to create vertical line. Basically, what is need of that job? Just like planning करना चाहते हैं, so we create a line 3 meter, 3 meter, again 3 meter, and then C enter. This is my room. This is my room area. Okay. And now मुझे डेवलप करना है इसका elevation. So that Excel enter and then V enter and then we click here. So the projection of that. Okay. And Excel enter, H enter horizontal like this. Then L enter, create here 2.1 meter, 1 meter, and then again 2.1 meter. Excel enter, H enter. This is the projection of. So basically we utilize create a projection, elevation बनाने के लिए, section बनाने के लिए, ठीक है? तो create section and elevation. So utilize this. But next condition is Excel enter, A enter. Now it will ask for angle, so that we decide 34 degree angle. So it will create an angle like this. Now we can check, select it here, then angular. That is angular distance. So we click this, and then so particular angle, like we create a line. Angle, select this. Triangle, 34 degree. So basically we can utilize to create a line and angle. So particularly we define Excel enter, A enter, and then define angle 20 degree. Now next is bisect. What is bisection? To cut a section means cut a angle. So just like हमारे पास 45 degree angle है और we are having an angle, ठीक है, which we don't know कि कितना है. And then we want to bisect that angle. So particularly we utilize this. So to bisecting and ready. Open a page. Like. So this is my angle. Okay, we don't know the angle between both the lines. So that particularly we utilize Excel enter, V enter, bisection, and then we start selecting entity. So just like simply, this is my vertex point. First, I select this, that is vertex point. First point, that is starting. Second point, and then third, end point. So that particularly this is ये हमने starting point लिया. Why we choose this point as a starting? Because it will work in anti-clockwise. That particularly we select the starting point is this and ending point is this. So ending point हम कहीं भी ले सकते हैं line के ऊपर. We can select anywhere this line and same यहाँ पर भी कहीं भी. So just like हमारे पास क्या होगा, to create a bisecting line, utilize Excel enter, B enter, define angle, vertex point. Define angle, start point. Define angle, end point. Angle, vertex point, start point and end point. Just like this. Excel enter, B enter. Vertex point is this, starting and then ending. Create a bisection in both the lines. Okay. So that particularly simply Excel enter, B enter, vertex point, the last specify angle vertex point. So we click here. Specify angle starting point. So we click here. And specify angle end point. So we click anywhere on this line. So it will create a bisecting. Right? So that is the radius bisection. Now next condition is offset. Right? So sketch में जाकर sketch in sketch tab में, right? So offset. So we utilize Excel enter, O enter, and define a distance and then select line object and click any side here. Actually, what is offset? Offset is to create a parallel line. Okay, you selected it. Just like you want to copy that line, okay, at 20 distance. So that हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Offset कर सकते हैं. Like we are having a line like this, और इसका हमें 20 distance पर एक copy चाहिए. So that we select Excel enter, O enter, and define the specific distance यानी 20 enter, and we select this line. Now click here, तो इसकी copy यहाँ जाएगी, and if you select this side, तो ये क्या होता है? Copy इस direction में. So particular ये हमारे पास होगा offset. मैं इसको note down बाद में कर लेना. Just like Excel enter, O enter, and we define distance equals to 10. Now we select this line, and we click here. It will create a line at distance 10, and again select this line and click out. Same इसको select किया इधर, and same इधर नीचे. ठीक है, so that particularly we can create multiple copies by using this. So where we utilize this type of condition, just like we are going to create a revision drawing. So that we start with Excel enter, H enter, horizontal, and then we utilize Excel enter, O enter, and then value is 0.15. यानी कि as a plinth level, so we decide Excel enter, O enter, 0.15. We select this, and then we click here. So this is distance is 0.15. Now Excel enter, O enter, 3 meter. Select this, and offset again. Excel enter, O enter, 0.12. Slab, top slab आ गया हमारा. Then Excel enter, O enter again 1 meter. We select this. Wait, now अगर हम planning करते हैं यहाँ पर, we start with the planning. So we start with something 5 meter, 4 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter. ठीक है, 5 meter, 1 meter, and then this is my planning. Right, अब मुझे इसको प्रोजेक्ट करना है. I want to project design. So Excel enter. Which option we can utilize? Vertical or horizontal? To create projection of these vertical, so that we click vertical, and then we click and this. Wait, now we press trim command. TR enter. Which one? Trim. Trim is utilized to trim entities. TR enter. Now we trim these lines, and then delete remaining lines. So it will create a elevation of that one. So now I want to develop a load, so 2.1 meter, 1 meter, and then again 2.1 meter. Right? And enter. Again we click here. 2.1 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.1 meter, and then click here. Trim. This is the elevation of that line. Right? So that particularly हम क्या utilize करेंगे? We utilize Excel enter to project lines. Right? So particularly these are the conditions. खाने नोट डाउन करिए, सारा कर लिया, हो गया? खाने नोट डाउन कर लिया? नहीं, हाँ? अगर कोई लाइन है तो उसको लाइन चाहिए, उसको लाइन और उसको थोड़ा हो गया? देखो एक्चुअली ट्रिम कैसे वर्क करता है. सो हाउ ट्रिम वर्क्स, जस्ट लाइक वी आर हैविंग अ लाइन. ओके, नाउ आई टू ट्रिम दिस लाइन. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रिम. मीन्स कलेक्शन करना, उसमें से कुछ जिसको रखना है उसको रखेंगे और जिसको नहीं रखना है उसको रिमूव कराएंगे. मीन्स वी हैव टू रिमूव सम पार्ट ऑफ दैट कंपोनेंट. ठीक है. इफ वी डोंट नीड दिस लाइन, so that particularly इसको सेलेक्ट करो and then you can delete. if we don't need complete line तो इसको क्या करेंगे, सेलेक्ट करके डिलीट कर देंगे. but we are having an intersection at this point, so we can trim like from this side or from this side, from this side to from this side. but if we are having this type of entity, so we can't trim any of line because both line are not intersecting with each other. तो इसमें से किसको छांट सकते हैं, इसको या इसको नहीं छांट सकते, because these are complete lines. so अगर मुझे इसको कुछ करना है तो first make it intersecting quantities and after that you can trim. Go to this type of condition, just like we are having a line like this. Then we utilize TR, enter, enter, and then we click this. That will not work because they are single entity. ठीक है. Now we create a line like this. We TR, enter, enter, go to trim. So it will not work because this is a complete line, not intersecting. So now we click this. It will work because this is the intersecting. So now अब हम इसके ऊपर वर्क करते हैं so that it will not work. So that particularly for trimming you need intersecting lines. Okay. And if I don't want this type of line, so that select this and then delete, simply delete. और अगर कुछ पार्ट उड़ाना है so create a intersecting entity, TR, enter, enter, and then you can trim. now इसको select किया and then you can yeah. and now why we utilize TR, enter, enter, but at the traditional line we utilize L enter, or Excel enter we utilize Excel enter. why we are using TR, enter, enter? Actually different conditions are there. Just like we are having entities like this. Excel enter, we create a vertical line first, and then Excel enter we make horizontal line like this. Right. So मुझको बस इस लाइन को इतना रखना है, यहाँ से यहाँ पे. I want this line between this and this line. So that we utilize TR, enter, enter, and we utilize trimming again and again, 1, 2, 3, 4. But instead of that we utilize TR, single enter. We utilize TR, single enter, and we select both the lines, both the boundaries. So we select this boundary, and then enter. Now click this line, this line. Okay. So actually we are using single enter to define boundaries. Okay, and अगर मुझे multiple time trim करना है, so that we can utilize TR, enter, enter. So we utilize TR, enter, enter, and then we can trim like this. Okay, but we are having boundaries, so that utilize TR single enter and select both the boundaries, enter, and now click inside or click outside. So it will ये यहाँ तक पूरी की पूरी लाइन तक automatically train कर देगा. So you don't need to define ये again and again and again. So that particularly we select both the boundaries and then we can trim. So that particularly this is the conditions to create trimming. Right? So why we don't utilize TR single enter. ठीक है, but in this type of conditions we don't utilize क्या TR single enter because हमें पता ही नहीं है boundary कितना है. So that particularly we utilize TR enter and then we can trim that geometry जितना हमें चाहिए. So that particularly TR single enter and TR double enter, there is a difference. So that basically we utilize TR enter or TR space enter और space दोनों same. So that particularly we can utilize TR enter और TR enter space मतलब space. और अगर सिंगल एंटर लेते हैं तो क्या होता है ट्रिम के लिए बाउंड्रीज आर TR single enter define boundaries and then again enter and then select line. ठीक है, जिसको so particularly this is the conditions to trim my entities. Done. Now next command is polyline. Which polyline? So basically line, what is the definition of line? A activity between 2 points, यानी कि दो बिंदुओं को बनाने वाली रेखा लाइन कहलाती है. Okay, so that we need 2 points to create a line. Like if we create a L type of shape or if we create a rectangular or square shape by using line conditions and we are going to find out area or perimeter, तो वो नहीं शो करेगा because हर लाइन अलग अलग है. Means every line is divided by points like this line, this line, this line and this line because there are 4 lines. But if we need to find out perimeter of that line, so we utilize polyline. It will work like line, but this is a connected line. Connected means from starting to ending. When we select starting line, so it will automatically select all the lines. So that particular it will create a polyline shape. So that shortcut is PL enter. And then we can utilize this line, this polyline as a line. Means like relative rectangular, relative polar, relative coordinate system like this, like this. So that particularly we utilize PL enter and then we can utilize this polyline as a line. So that we select PL enter, that is like we create this type of area. So we utilize 2 meter, 2 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 5 meter and then C enter. Right, both are same. मतलब कि same. इसको select करते हैं, it will select by one. It is. But when we select this line, complete. It will do. Now we type LI enter. LI enter to find out list of points and list of perimeter area. Wait, so we divide LI enter and we select this object and enter. So it will show from point X distance to Y distance, length equals to 4 meter, angle equals to 270 degree and X value is 0 or Y value is 4 meter. Okay? It will not show perimeter. Just like LI enter, you select whole structure and then click. So it will show means different lines means parameters जो भी हमारे पास आएंगे. So now if you select this, we go to LI enter and we select this line and enter. Now you can see point to point distance for each and every points like X, Y, Z. Area is 41 meter and perimeter is 28 meter. Done. It will show perimeter and area, but we don't find out this type of condition by using these lines. So that particularly if we don't we want to know area, perimeter, so we utilize polyline. And अगर नहीं चाहिए so we create line. So now this is 5 meter plus 5 meter equals to 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 5 19 plus 5 plus 2 प्लस 2 if we set the area कितना है पेरीमीटर है इक्वल्स टू आ गया पेरीमीटर इज 28 and the area is 41 because the complete area is 41 so that we can find out actually perimeter and area by using this type of condition but in case of line we don't find out this area and perimeter right so that particularly polyline is basically is a line but a special line right from starting to ending now next line is multi line so if we talk about multi line so what is multi more than two या more than one so in case of multi line standard style is 2 lines by default it will set to 2 लेकिन अगर हम ज़्यादा चाहते हैं तो we can create more than 2 lines but at the time of starting we utilize 2 lines only just like we are going to create lines like हमें wall बनाना है तो हमें क्या चाहिए wall चाहिए तो we have to decide distance between both the lines कि 0.23 की wall है या 0.115 की wall है so that we have to decide width of wall so that particularly for multi-line we utilize ML enter and there are different options just like first is scale second is justification third is style so by default style is standard justification is basically if I talk about justification so that is top bottom and 0 what is between top bottom and 0 just like we are having an area just like this so if we select top option so my wall will be connected like inside means inside से connected होगी because we set top angle so top का मतलब क्या हुआ top touch होगा चलेगा like ML enter and we select justification equals to top I will select this तो ये top select होके चलेगा means like we will select top to top it will create an exterior boundary okay if we select top distance define करना है इसका बता रहे हैं देखिए ML enter if we select justification 0 so half up and half down done and if you select ML enter and then we set justification equals to bottom so it will create an inside boundary now we have to decide wall size 0.23 meter so ML enter go to scaling and then we type 0.23 and then C enter जस्टिफिकेशन में 0 टॉप एंड बॉटम ऑलरेडी तीन ही चीजें होंगी जस्टिफिकेशन में बेटा जो स्केलिंग दिया जस्ट लाइक वी डिसाइडेड 0.23 इज अ स्केल सो अगर हम 0 लेंगे वी डिसाइडेड 0 तो 0.23 का हाफ ऊपर एंड 0.3 का हाफ नीचे यानी कि वी सेट 0.23 यानी कि 0.115 इज अपसाइड एंड 0.115 डाउनसाइड बट इन केस ऑफ बॉटम सो इट विल सेट 0.23 इज अपवर्ड पूरा जस्टिफिकेशन में दिया ना बेटा बिकॉज इसमें क्या है ऑलरेडी इन ML एंटर जो ML स्टाइल होता है दैट ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड बाय अस सो इफ यू सेलेक्ट मॉडिफाई यू कैन सी 0.5 एंड -0.5 यानी कि 0 वैल्यू इज स्टैंडर्ड 0 वैल्यू इज इन बिटवीन है तो -0.5 यानी कि डाउनवर्ड एंड +0.5 अपवर्ड सो ऑटोमेटिकली वी हैव टू डिसाइड इन अ स्टैंडर्ड कंडीशन राइट so we don't need to decide this condition first ठीक है we utilize ML enter to create lines okay so we decide now select 0 करेंगे तो क्या होगा वो half up 0.5 up and -0.5 downward और if you select 0 so it means base oh sorry 0 bottom so it will touch base and if you select topmost part it will touch topmost part of that so that particularly we said top so top means we are going to create external boundary means excluding this area यानी कि if we select this area तो हमारे पास क्या होगा we are excluding this area means we are exclude करते हुए बन रहा है हमारे पास ठीक है. Complete. If we select distance from this point linear, so yeah, we select this point to this point, that is 5 meter. And now these all are excluding this area, but my area is this and I want to create boundary inside this, so we select ML, enter, then justification, and we select water, so we select like this. So now this area I'm including all the balls. So now you can select yeah, from this end to this end, the total distance is 5 meter. We create shape like this, right? So this is the area. You can check distance from this side to this side. Clear? So this is the condition to create multi-lines. Multi-line scaling is 0.23, 0.115, we can set according to conditions. Just like we are going to create road, so there are 4 meter road, 2 meter road, 1 meter road, so that we can create any type of road. So that particular scaling equals to 1 meter, 2 meter, we can decide. Just like जैसा भी road चाहिए ना, वैसा road आप define कर सकते हैं. And to add it, ML enter. So double click on that ML enter. ठीक है. Go to scaling and we set 4 meter road, and 4 meter road we decide like ML enter, and now again we scale 2 meter road, a connection road between them. So हमने select किया like wait. Now double click on that and you can find multi-line editing tool. To add it any multi-line, double click on any multi-line. Now you can set different type of sets. Just like we select this open cross area, select this and this. To create a open case. Double click on that, then we select this one. We select this line and this line. We will create a open crossing. So that particularly we can set different type of conditions, okay, by using double click. Okay, and then this is a cut single, cut all, weld all, like delete vertex. Just like सबसे पहला we talk about add vertex. So we click here and here. Now what is add vertex? We can change. Right? So if we select this, again double click and then click delete vertex, so that particular we can delete. So like from this point, so we can create this type of line. Wait, so that particularly now next command is ray. Which one? Ray. Rays क्या होती है? What is rays? Projected from a single point, just like sun rays. Okay, so rays emitting from a point, just like sun rays हो गया, या हमारे पास क्या चीज़ हो सकता है और पानी का भी हो गया, just like अगर shower है, अगर shower भी एक point से project हो रहा है, so that particular ray. So there is a command ray enter, and then define starting point, and then create arrays. Done. So in Excel enter we define midpoint because उन दोनों का end define नहीं है. In case of extension line means construction line, ठीक है, we don't find any type of end point because this is an infinite line. Actually ray is also an infinite line, but we'll start from a point, so that we set it's the starting point, just like we said ray enter, and then we start with this point, and then we turn off F8 auto off, and then we can. But अगर मुझे angle fix करना है, तो how can I fix my angle? If I want to fix my angle, so that particularly we select polar conditions like this, and then we set angle 30 degrees or 45 degrees. We select 30 degrees. Then ray command. Now for this 0 degree ऊपर जाएंगे, 30 again upward, 60, 90. So we can create spiral stair by using this. Okay, and then और क्या कर सकते हैं? We can create perspective drawing. Perspective drawing होता है? कैसे होता है perspective drawing? Like we press 5 enter, 5, 5 5 5 15 again 5 5 5 5 5 and then done. So this is my angle means I section में
तो उसमें angle 30 60 90 नहीं होगा, अगर 27 या 96
tracking settings यहाँ से edit कर सकते हैं. We can add angle or we can create new angle. Done. Now we set ray. We set ray from this point like यहाँ 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 पर and also here like this. So we start with L, enter. Now we same create geometry. And TR, enter and we trim. इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, कोई भी दिखाई नहीं देगा इधर से. Trim. अब ये extended है, this is the extended part, so that we you can see. This is a perspective drawing. Okay, this is a perspective drawing of I section. Actually, if I talk about isometric drawing and perspective drawing, so there are differences between both. Actually, perspective drawing is the original view. Means just like we are standing here and we are watching a line, and these two parallel lines. It will show like this. Means क्या दिखाई देगा वो हमें? It will meet at a point, means at an end point. ठीक है, because of particularly अगर हम बात करते हैं like my eyes, this is my eye. Okay, so first thing is that a field of view like this. You see like this, and then there is a vanishing point. Vanishing मतलब this is the end point of our eyesight. Right? It will create a same depth of field like this, where both meets यहाँ पर original view बनता है. It will create a original view of that component. या picture plane, we can say it's picture plane, यानी कि it will create a original view of that component. और जितना जितना दूर जाएगा, it will decrease. Like this. So if we watching two lines, two parallel lines like this, so it will create a shape like this. Just like railway track, roads, because of perspective drawing. So perspective projection is a real observation, but isometric is a imaginary view. Isometric is a imaginary view. Isometric, in a isometric, if you are creating a square now or a rectangle, so the all sides are same. Is first one and last one. But in case of perspective, दोनों का difference हो जाएगा. Because original distance is this and the last distance is this, so it will reduce as per the distance. कितना distance हमारे पास जा रहा है. So we utilize ray command to create perspective point. So basically these are the conditions. And last line is spatial line. That is spline. That called SPL, enter. It's a Bezier curve. SPL, enter क्या होता है? Bezier curve. So just like utilize SPL, enter. Now ये चलाएंगे ना लाइन की तरह, so it will create a Bezier curve. To create a Bezier curve. So like हमने यूटिलाइज किया SPL, एंटर, एंड देन वी यूटिलाइज लाइक दिस कंडीशंस. F8 पहला पॉइंट, दूसरा पॉइंट, थर्ड पॉइंट, फोर्थ पॉइंट, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, एंड देन एंटर. So it will create a pipe cutting, and we will show pipe ending by using this one. Right? So at particular this is the conditions to create. So this is the conditions. आगे उधर ही आ रहा हूँ. Okay? So that particular